Drop the weapon. Hold on. I gotta turn my body cam off. That's when you should be really scared. What?
You wouldn't weld with that on.
Why? Don't worry about it.
You're not worried about busting the lens up?
It'll be alright.
I can hook it to like a post looking down on us.
I will eventually. I'll do a time lapse, but I need to get some action shots. You can't be afraid to
Do you want to run that in or you want to run this one?
I'd rather sit right there and watch you do the rest. This is gonna kind of suck. What? This is gonna kind of suck. But the rest are just the clips. Is that what you want? I didn't think you wanted them all welded to the post.
I only want one weld holding the pipe to the clamp.
Okay, that's what I figured.
And I just weld next to the feeders. That way when they push on them, the cab to the bobcat pushes on them,
they have some
the pipe can move.
That way, okay. Because if not, it's going to start breaking.
Yep.
Okay. That wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to be way worse.
Well, and just putting the clamps on makes it easier. How'd that start burning?
What?
How's that burning?
Fucking great. I might turn my machine down. I usually run Excalibur around 121.
What are you running on this?
I might go down 3.
I think I'm running 140.
Wow.
I'm running E-Top.
Oh. Yeah.
No, it's not E-Top, it's executive.
Where the fuck do you get that? $85 a pound. Yeah. I get 2 free blowjobs for every 50-pound can.
open. And then we can spin it in by hand as much as we can. Then we'll just weld one of these chunks to the end of it. Fucking crank it around.
Weld it?
We'll weld one of these chunks to the end to hold the twist
So
it
it
around.
has a female?
No. We got females. We just stick a female in this end.
Oh, so we just...
We'll stick a male into the female.
Yeah.
And then we'll weld something to the pipe that we can use as a to turn it.
You don't want to just weld it?
I still need to get it threaded in.
Why? Does it have to come apart?
No. We'll weld it, but it still needs to be threaded in so it doesn't look like shit.
Or we cut that coupler off and we just butt up 2 ends and weld it.
I don't think we can get them through enough.
I think we can.
I don't know. David said just thread it in. We're going to do what Farmer wants.
That's fair, yeah.
And that looks nice.
Alrighty. Where's your Hoosier pole? Oh wait, I have it. That crawler rig would be fucking tits on a job like this. Just pull up with the trailer. You don't even have to get your truck
You
in.
want to strip this and make it into one?
Oh yeah, I'll take that too. That'll be good.
It's junk.
Why?
I got it too hot.
How? How is it? It still works. Look.
It didn't work the other day. That's why it's laying in the bed of my truck. You can fucking have it. It gets too hot too fast.
Well,
But
I can feel this cable. I know why it got too hot.
Yeah.
How many amps were you pushing through it?
I don't know. It was on my 215.
Oh well, that you were doing pulse, I'm assuming.
On my 215.
Oh, you 215? Really?
Yeah, I burned that thing. Yeah.
God damn! Look at the color of that copper.
That's probably rubber and grinder.
Oh, okay.
You want it? There's a razor knife laying right here. If you want to strip that and make that.
Oh yeah. I'll do that. Boom.
It's been helping take the magnet.
And now, when I can hook this up to my machine like that. And then with this antenna and this, I can connect the intermogability to the truck, and then it'll wirelessly connect to my mainframe, and I can like win big off RainBet then.
Off RainBet. I hope you never go to gambling. You're too.
Dude, I know. I'm like, dude, if I fucking played the lottery or some stupid shit, I would be like, hey Wyatt, I got a new idea. It's called you give me $500 and you can watch me blow it.
Yeah. You want to watch me go broke?
Cause I can drag you with me. You can be broke too.
It's taking me a long time.
Hey, I saw the inside of your plugs.
Inside of plugs.
Inside the box.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
Nothing. I'd expect nothing less.
I wouldn't expect any more either.
Yeah.
This fucking reaming clamps suck.
The what?
These reaming clamps.
I use them. I just don't let them sit in the freaking rusty toolbox for
I've
decades.
gotten them way too fucking hot or put way too much torque on them and bent most of them.
I've had really good luck with mine.
Steve fucking loves them.
Huh?
Steve loves them. I bought most of them when I was doing the pigeon trailer. That's a bike.
Yeah, this is a good one. What? I can't believe you bought a corded tool that's not Bosch.
You know how much that saw ball was if it was a Bosch?
Probably like $300-400,
It
wasn't
was
it?
$290.
How much was that?
85.
Oh, fuck. That's pretty cheap.
And that's a higher amp, higher RPM saw.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Their Master Force's fucking hammer drills suck.
Their hammer drills?
Yeah.
I've blown the trigger out 3 of them.
Me too. I don't know. I didn't know if it was like the motor or the trigger or what.
No, the triggers just fall off of mine.
I got mine smoking on one job. And I was literally putting in 2 3/8 wedge anchors.
I had to paint it one day and he fucking destroyed it.
I just bought a nice.
Buy a Bosch.
I did. I bought a Bosch SDS. I have the SDS Max, and then I have the SDS, just
I'd like
normal
to have one of
SDS.
the SDS Plus.
SDS, SDS Plus, SDS Max. I forget. I know the Max is the big one. I have the big one.
No, the Max is just regular SDS, I think, is the big one.
I don't know. Getting some pics for your Insta. Snapchat. Snapchat. Hmm.
You gotta
think
do 3 of these
they had a
setups in 2 hours.
Camera and a solar panel on one of these. Do you think this would take care of it?
What?
Like, say if this was aluminum and it had like a box with a camera and a solar panel, do you think this would be able to take care of something like that?
Yeah.
Because I got a big jog coming up and it's all over the place and there's a lot of aluminum they need cut. They're only paying cash, but it's paying pretty good.
Is it one of them FLOCK jobs?
It might. I think
FLOCK
that's what they
removal?
said they were, but they're done with them. They said they just need them removed.
Yeah, I was like, I think I got a bid. I think I bid that for the gold content. But yeah, it was like
All the silver and copper. Hey, this weld broke.
This rod broke.
Fuck's that rattle? Oh, of that? Is that a gate? Or is that?
Gate there, yeah. Those
So we start here technically, right? Yeah.
yeah, there's not nearly as much here as I thought.
I thought, by the way you were talking, I figured it'd be like,
See, I thought it was 2 rails. I thought we were just doing the top of the boat.
oh, okay. Soup.
I was waiting for the
Soup. Soup. Boom. I cannot hear you.
Fuck yourself.
What did you just say?
What in the fuck?
Oh no. Which small village should we bomb? That one. Zoom. Oh, that one. She's a spitter. Okie dokie. Get it extra packed.
Where's that bicycle pack?
Oh, I think I put it down the pipe. It's getting piped down in Paris.
I didn't know you could get a black fiber metal.
Oh yeah, Lindy has them in stock. Believe it or not, they actually stock like a couple of those.
How much was it?
I don't know. I got a bunch of shit when I got it, and the bill was like $500 or $500 or $600. I don't know.
They're $60 on Amazon. Now,
I bet you I got it cheaper than Amazon.
I take the fiber metal headgear out and put Jackson headgear in it.
Yes, I haven't destroyed that yet, but I've stripped one side out almost. Yep.
It's more comfortable. I put Lincoln headgear in my first one.
Oh, fucking.
And it's
Lincoln
really comfortable
headgear?
until it falls the fuck apart.
Lincoln headgear is good, but it's just not as durable.
No, this hood's black. Let's put that thing in black. I've painted all of them.
No, this is OEM black. This is OG.
Oh, that's OG Negro.
OG Negro. Do you think they'll let me fly Air Force One?
Air Force 2?
No, Air Force One.
Oh, no.
Okay. I'm coming into your country.
I got a box cutter. Maybe I can take over the airplane.
Where's the 13-year-olds at? I heard they were acting bad.
That was the team.
Well, what is it? What noise does a goat make?
What? Pretty close to that. They go, nah. It says,
No.
nah.
It says,
They go,
no
nah.
means no. Well, guys, it's 23:02 right now on a Saturday night. Hope you guys are having a great night. I just got back to the yard. As you guys saw, me and Wyatt knocked some stuff out today. It was a good 17-hour day for both of us, and got a lot done. His customer was super happy, and that's what we like to do. We like to work together like that. I'm just kind of chilling, you know, kind of debriefing a little before I head home for the day. I'm just kind of chilling out here, smoking a ciggy, and figured I'd wrap this video up for you guys. Me and Wyatt work a lot together. We help each other out whenever we can. He does a little bit different stuff than I do, but he still does sometimes similar stuff, and I think we've known each other for close to like 5 years now. He's been a great guy to know. We always help each other out. It's crazy. You wouldn't think that, you know, two welding companies would help each other out, but we've actually made more money helping each other out than we have trying to compete against each other. And there's a couple other companies in town that I have that not exact same relationship with, but similar relationship with. That is an important thing, to build relationships with your competitors, because your competitors are usually sometimes one of your greatest assets in many different ways. So yeah, knocked out some pipe fence. Wyatt does a lot of that pipe fence stuff. I'm not a big fan of it. I don't really like getting into that type of work, but he's more on the ag side anyway, so it has to do with welding, so I enjoy it, but I wouldn't say I would go bid a pipe fence job, I'll just say that. I've done the pre-built panels, and then now I've done the drill pipe, and drill pipe sucks to weld on. If you guys have ever done any welding on sucker rod or drill pipe or casing or anything like that, all that shit sucks to work on. Sucks to fucking do anything with. but it's cheap. It's way cheaper to buy that shit than, I mean, I encourage you guys to go on Facebook Marketplace or find somebody that sells pipe fence supplies. Get a quote on, say, 100 or 200 feet, linear feet of panel, pre-built panel or rod with post, well, which would be your casing depending on the size of the well of what it was pulled from. Not your casing. I guess that would be an inner liner. I don't know. I'm not an oil field guy. I know I kind of dress like one, but trust me, I'm not. I know very little about that industry, so I don't want to be too ignorant and say a bunch of shit that's not true, because you know, like I do, I know damn well the comments will correct me, and that's okay. I need that sometimes. We all need that sometimes. Anyway, it's magnetized really, really bad. That's the biggest thing. It's like it's magnetized, you know? So you get what's called arc blow, and man, that shit sucks. What'll happen is, so say I'm trying to weld this tail light, and this truck right here, this body panel was the post. When you're welding, like stick welding or flux core welding, even MIG welding, it almost blows. They literally call it arc blow because your puddle will not make contact with your material, your base material that you're trying to weld into. It's kind of a pain. Trick that I learned is just heating it up. Does a lot. Doesn't completely fix it, but it does a lot. If I had to weld that shit all the time, I'd probably use a lot more 6010, a lot more 60 series stuff. Might even be worth getting some of that rod and experimenting with some 8010. I don't know. If you guys do pipe fence or you do any pipe work, hit me up with some pipe rods and any tricks that you got to demagnetize pipe. I don't run into it, but Wyatt does a lot, and Wyatt's got tricks too. But I just in the back of my mind, I'd like to have some knowledge, more knowledge on that. That's something I need to dig more into on the metallurgical side. And I'd like to talk about that too. So I didn't go to college for engineering or anything like that. I read a lot of research papers and studies, and every now and then I read books. So that's a very important part of continuing education is an important part of any trade, even if it's a hobby. To be an expert in something, you need to bring a lot of knowledge to the table. So part of that is knowing your metals, knowing your base metals, knowing your alloying materials, your alloying components in a series of metals. So your grades of aluminum, your grades of stainless, your grades of steel. Grades of steel, there's like so many fucking grades of steel out there. There's so many different grades of aluminum. There's so many different grades of stainless. I mean, you've got it from railroad to, you know, foundry to overhead crane, structural steel, automotive. There's so many different industries that use it, and usually, if the industry's big enough, usually they have their own grade of steel that they like to use. 90 SB3, 90 series, very common in crane booms. I have to weld crane booms usually with 9018 or 90 SB3 wire. So that's one thing that you really, really need to pay attention to. I am not afraid to go messing with a crane boom. I've done it enough now. The pucker factor never goes away, I will say, but usually on those jobs you have on-site mag testing or on-site non-destructive testing or NDT testing, and those guys can either be awesome or an absolute pain in the ass. Usually they just sit in your truck while you're working, and then they come and retest and everything's fine. But usually, sometimes they'll like to watch you work. But I've done several crane boom repairs, gusset repairs. I've even welded D-rings on to certain bucket trucks to where they clip the harnesses in. So you need to know your metals. This is life and safety stuff. You need to know your metals. You need to know your alloying elements. And it comes down to safety too. Hexavalent chromium, magnesium, phosphorus. I mean, look into these metals. It's crazy. It's crazy. I am autistic about a lot of things. Trains and cranes is definitely one of them.